Hello everyone, today I will show you how to open snaps on Snapchat web without phone. And here's how it is done. If you want to use Snapchat on your computer or laptop, this video is for you. Start by opening your browser and searching for Snapchat web. Click on the URL web.snapchat.com to access Snapchat on your PC. Once the page loads, click on Log to your chat. You'll need to log in to your Snapchat account from this page. Simply enter your Snapchat username or phone number, followed by your password. The interface will be similar to what you see on your phone. Once logged in, you can tap on the snaps to view them just like you would on your mobile device. Enjoy using Snapchat on your computer. That is everything you need to know about how to open snaps on Snapchat web without phone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.